I am the president of a Metropolitan Town Car. We've been in business since 1998, and we provide transportation in metropolitan area for our customers. Our company has a big fleet and professional drivers. We have over 15 vehicles in our company. We have about 8 sedans, 3 SUVs, and the rest we have limos, stretch limos. We provide transportation for business events, nights out in the town, proms, Christmas parties, pretty much everything. We have a lot of business with Microsoft, Boeing, Starbucks, all those major accounts. We're located in Bellevue. We have a dispatch center in the garage downstairs. We have 3 dispatchers working full-time. Basically, the answer, we're pretty much open 24/7. So anytime you call, you'll get a live operator answer the phone and help you with your needs. We have a lot of different options of making the reservations as well. Most of our clients, they call and make reservation over the phone. We also have a convenient online reservation forms. They can open up an account, or they can do a quick reservation online. So it's whatever convenient for the client. It's a secure website. The way how our reservation process works, when the customer calls in, we gather all the information. After we gather all the information, we send the email confirmation with all the details and breakups. So this way, customers see the total cost. They have a special trip confirmation number. So when they call and try to locate the driver, or they want to ask about the reservation, they just give us a confirmation number, and we're able to pull it up right away in our system. If it's an airport pickup, we gather all the arrival time, airlines they're flying with, flight number, because we do monitor the flight. If the flight is delayed or comes in early, we're aware of that, so our customer doesn't have to wait for the car if his flight was early or delayed. If you would like to find out more about Metropolitan Town Car, please visit our website. It's metropolitantowncar.com. You get to see all the services that we provide, reviews, all of our fleet, vehicles, what we do, how we do it, business travel, online reservations, and etc. Feel free to do it anytime, and we'll be more to assist anybody and everybody 24/7 anytime. We open all the holidays, Christmas, New Year's, Mother's Day, Father's Day, you name it, we will be there. So thank you. We appreciate you guys.